Hey everyone, it's the Excellent Dude again with another Excel how-to video. In this quick video, I'll show you how to generate random numbers and values in Excel. If you want to learn more about Excel, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notifications to be notified when I release new videos. Alright, let's get started. Here are a couple of ways to use random numbers that you may find useful. The first is generating a random number between two values. To do this, you'll use the rand between function, which is exactly as it sounds. It generates a random number between two values, the low value and the high value. As an example, let's generate a random number between 1 and 100. We'll start with the equal sign and then rand between with the opening bracket, and then we'll put 1 as the low value, comma, then 100 followed by the closing bracket and click enter. Or if you need more random numbers, we can drag the formula to create a whole column of random values between 1 and 100. Now what if you want a random value that isn't a number? In this case, you can use the rand between and choose functions. The syntax of the choose function is equal sign choose, open bracket, index num, and values, and then closing bracket. The index num is the value you choose, and the values are the values which they choose from. For example, let's say you want to randomly pick one of your 4 friends to join you for lunch. We'll start with equals, choose, open bracket, and for the index num value, we'll plug in the rand between function. So this would be rand between, open bracket, 1, 4, close bracket, followed by a comma. And then we'll put in quotes the names of your friends with commas in between. John, Sarah, Jennifer, and Steve. Followed by the closing bracket and click enter. And there you have it, one random friend to join you for lunch. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you find my videos informative, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you like learning more about Excel, please consider subscribing and clicking the notification icon to be notified when I release new videos. Thanks again and have an excellent day.